What's good, my Caribbeans? Today we have a beautiful episode of What's Within. We have this... Okay. Brand new pair of Air Jordans right here. And I know you've been there, wearing a pair of shoes. Man, these feel as comfy as a soft brick. And you're like, what's inside these things? What's within these things? That's what I'm here for. That's what I'm here for. Like, leading off, these honestly fit really well. As you can see, I'm a bit of a sneakerhead myself. I'm down with the drip. I know what's good. How am I trying to explain this? Let's just... Water. I think I'm on top of them. It was rubber.